Once my son started, he settled in straight away. It just seems to be the kind of environment when they're all starting together and they've all signed up for a change, that they're eager to make friends and make the 2 years that they have in the academy the best years that they can have. He was wildly impressed with the teachers. He loved the feeling of mentorship rather than hierarchy, that he was on a first name basis with his teachers and that they were so approachable. You know, he really felt he could ask the teachers anything and that they would be happy to answer or help him out. The thing that was the most remarkable was the difference in his grades. You know, we're talking about 100 points of a difference. Looking back on it now, even though we were very nervous at the time, we are so happy that we sent our son to the academy. So if I was talking to another parent who was thinking of sending their son or daughter to the academy, I would obviously tell them that we had a great experience, but really the advice would be, go to an open evening, talk to Dawn, get a feel for the place, and take it from there.